Hello and welcome to the Accounting Analyst YouTube channel. I'm Jason Williams and I'm a CPA and a seasoned pro in accounting and finance. I've been in accounting and finance for over 20 years, working in various roles from private companies to regulators and even as an equity analyst on Wall Street. Our firm, the Accounting Analyst, is a CPA firm that offers comprehensive accounting, advisory and tax services, serving businesses and professionals nationwide. We have extensive experience in public and private sectors across diverse industries, in audit and consulting, public and private companies, regulatory agencies, and Wall Street. We leverage this comprehensive expertise to provide services that empower our clients to manage their businesses sustainably and effectively. We launched this YouTube channel because we want to share the wealth of knowledge we amassed throughout our careers. Our mission is straightforward: to guide you through the world of accounting and finance, taxes, and investment analysis. Expect a deep dive into topics like bookkeeping, how to minimize the tax you owe to the government, intricate financial strategies, and how to analyze stocks from an accounting perspective. No topic will be off limits. So whether you're an everyday person just looking to understand how financial matters impact your life, or a professional aiming to sharpen your skills, there's content tailored to your needs. Thank you for gracing our channel with your presence. We're excited to share the insights we've garnered over the years, and we trust that you'll find the content both valuable and informative. Do remember to like and subscribe, and let us know your thoughts on content you would like to see.